Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your webinar engagement with GoToWebinar, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your webinar engagement with GoToWebinar, start by creating a compelling registration page. Log into your GoToWebinar account and navigate to the Webinars section. Click on Schedule a Webinar to initiate the setup process. Enter a clear and descriptive title for your webinar. Choose a date and time that works for your target audience. Add a detailed description that outlines what participants can expect. Incorporate engaging visuals or icons to enhance the registration page. Enable the option for participants to submit questions during registration. Customize your registration form to gather essential attendee information. Set reminders for participants, ensuring they receive notifications before the event. Next, choose the right promotional method to drive registrations. Utilize email campaigns to reach your existing audience. Leverage social media platforms to promote your webinar across multiple channels. Create a countdown post a few days before the event to build anticipation. Now, focus on making your webinar interactive. Use polls and surveys throughout the session to engage your attendees. Incorporate Q&A segments to address participant questions in real time. Encourage sharing on social media by providing a hashtag for the event. Prepare engaging visuals, such as slides and videos, to keep attention. Consider inviting guest speakers to add credibility and variety. Ensure your internet connection is stable to prevent technical issues. On the day of the webinar, log in early to test all equipment. Check your audio and video settings to guarantee clarity. Begin the session with a brief introduction, highlighting key points. Maintain an enthusiastic tone to keep energy levels high. Wrap up your presentation with a summary of the main takeaways. End with a clear call to action, guiding participants on what to do next. After the webinar, follow up with a thank you email to all participants. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.